We like to see you with various credit. If you don't worry, but it adds into your credit score if you have a mix of credit. You may have an installment loan, such as a car payment or student loans. You may have the revolving credit cards. You may have a personal loan or some type of loan. But the mix of credit is important as well. It's going to add 10% into your credit score or account for 10% of your credit score. And last but not least, this is very important during the home buying process, but new credit inquiries. We are going to tell you to not, I think, Brandon, you told me this, not use your social security number. Did you tell me that or somebody else told me? Do not use your
Someone
social
else,
security
yeah.
number. Okay. I think it was Carla. Do not use your social security number at all while you are buying a house. If somebody asks you for your social security number other than Brandon, then you need to call Nakia and Brandon and we need to talk about it. Okay. So I said all that to say that new credit inquiries account for 10%. It's a 10% of your credit score. So recent inquiries, past inquiries, and we don't want to see new ones. So we're going to tell you don't apply for anything, not the furniture that you need when you move in. If your car gets damaged beyond repair and you need a new one, we need to talk about it. We may need you to rent a car for a little bit.